Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Ama Freemow 98703 string trimmer is a 40-volt battery-powered tool designed to ensure compactness and ease of use. The structure features an aluminum shaft with a diameter of 26 millimeters, which can be divided to facilitate transport and storage. The cutting head is suitable for trimming edges of small and medium-sized lawns and gardens, with an adjustable cutting width between 28 and 33 centimeters. The adjustable and rotatable handle allows easy orientation of the tool for precise cuts along sidewalks and vertical surfaces, improving maneuverability. The trimmer is powered by a 40-volt battery with a capacity of 2.5 ampere-hours, equipped with a quick release and included in the package. This battery provides good autonomy and compatibility with other Freemow line power tools, creating a modular system for garden maintenance. The ergonomic handle helps reduce fatigue during prolonged use, enhancing operational comfort. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.